for not making a video last week. Work came first. So today, we're going to go do a little history of the Nelson Industrial Spur, which, see the top of the at-home store, the at-home goods store, which was part of the Nelson Industrial Park. And once we get down a little farther and cut into the woods, we'll see the bridge. Which, see the edge of the building, the front of the building here. Which, remember that. Not sure when it was put, when the building was built. Montour Road. Oh, she looks a little murky today. That was probably an old water tank or something like that. Towards the back of the building. Fine spot to cut in. And somewhere in the area here was one of the sidings. And I think I gotta do a little bushwhacking here, so I'm gonna cut you off for a couple seconds, okay? And we made it down through the brush. And this is how they got into the Nelson Industrial Park. Throwing a little history at you. It's about 80 feet. Two spans where you can see where the abutment on the land is there. Then right at the edge here of all the junk, you may be able to see that split is halfway. Then to the other side there, junk in the throat. And the Pennsylvania Railroad was involved with the design, since they were part co-owner of the Montour. And in 1964, Richland machinery was being built, and they had a door for the train to come into the building, which it'll be roughly where, behind those trees there, where H&K equipment is where Richland was. And they were using flat cars to bring everything in. And they had a siding next to the Montour Railroad. And up towards where the at-home store is, there was a switch, another switch, so that they could back the train into the building. And it also crossed Scott Road down there. And I'm going to see if I can get up towards where the bridge is, if I can. Okay, which I have to go back to bushwhacking. So see you in a second. I know you can't really get a good look, but this would be the top where they would have like the timber, the railroad ties, which you see the one right here still has the marks of the railroad, and they would be timbered all the way across. And it is thick in here. So I'm going to see if I could get through here without yeah. Tie plates. Yeah, that would be the tie plate with the spikes in it, and railroad spike, and the rail would sit right in the middle of here, and it would hold it in place. There's a lot of them in here. That is freaking cool to find. Right at the tip of my foot is another spike with one of the railroad ties underneath it. go. Walk. Yeah, that was a tie. Still see how massive these ties are, even if since they've been sitting for 30 plus years. Still following the railroad. Oh. A lot of gunk. Yeah, I'm not going to go up onto like H&K's property and stuff. Because I don't have the permission to go up there. Here we go. Hello. Sorry about that. And somewhere in the area would be where the switch was. And on our left here may have been where the siding is. And this is some of the extra information of where everything was. And if you can see this farmhouse, that's Hirschberger Road. I'm not sure what this is. And if you do want to stop and pause that and read everything, go ahead. And this is Richland Industries here, and these flat cars are on the siding, and the main track is right next to it. It's just a little extra information for you. Man, I'm covered in all that. And I hope you enjoyed going through the brush a little bit and seeing all the, hearing a little bit of history and everything. Go ahead and like the video if you like it, and you can always leave a comment. It does help, especially getting the information. And if you are subscribed, welcome back. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more information, for more stuff. And thank you for visiting.